Hello, Miss Sarah's class. Welcome to school today. I'm so glad you came to play. I'm going to sing the song that welcomes you to school. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. I'm glad you came to school. Now we're going to sing the song that helps our minds and bodies get ready for school. Eyes are watching, ears are listening. Mouth is closed, body still and quiet. You should really try it. Listen well, listen well. My friends, just a reminder, the reason why we start every single class like that is because if you're listening, then your mouth needs to be quiet so that your ears can hear everything. If you're listening, your eyes should be watching to make sure the person who is speaking knows that you are talking to them. Because it is kind to look at people when they talk to you for two reasons. One, they know you're listening. Two, it's easier to focus and to hear what they're saying if you're looking at them. It's just naturally easier. And if your body is still and quiet, that means that your body is ready and focused for learning. Because if you're moving all over the place, you're focused on moving all over the place, and you're not focused on listening. Okay, now let's go to our message board. I wanted to say thank you to all my friends who reached out to me and told me that they loved me and for hugs and prayers for me to feel better. I really appreciate that. I'm going to the doctors today and I feel better knowing that you guys love me so much. So thank you so much for all of your kindness. That was so very nice. Kindness makes Miss Sarah so very happy. Okay. Now, are you looking? Are you looking? Oop, I moved it over too far. At lesson 1. Lesson 1, message 1, show me number 1, show me number 1, touch your thumb, touch your thumb. All right, my friends, on message board number 1, we're talking about, there's a picture of a rectangle, and inside the rectangle is the word brown. Remember, letters make words, and that's why we need to learn about the sounds that they make. So I looked around my house to see what I could find that was brown and a rectangle. And Miss Sarah found this little napkin. I just saw the other side and it looks like one of my boys used the napkin and just left it on the counter. Anyway, this napkin is a rectangle. It has 1, 2 long sides and 1, 2 short sides. That's how we know. The difference between a rectangle and a square is that a square has 4 equal sides. All of the sides are the same. But a rectangle, there are 2 long sides and 2 short sides. I also found our number cards. Our number cards are a rectangle. 1 long side, 1 long side, 1 short side, 1 short side. My husband's sugary cereal is brown. He likes Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's one of his favorites, so we always have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But the Cinnamon Toast Crunch squares are brown. All right. Are you looking? Are you looking at message 2? Message 2. Show me number 2. 1, 2. Show me number 2. Touch your shoe. Touch your shoe. In message 2, it's a picture of our bag. Inside of our bag, we have Play-Doh. Today's activity at home is I want my friends to take the Play-Doh and make 4 things. The reason why I want you to make 4 is because 4 is the number of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss Sara made 4 pretend cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that awesome? I want to see my friends make 4 of whatever you want. You could make 4 snakes. You can make 4 balls. You can make 4 stars, 4 whatever, 4 pumpkins, whatever you want. Miss Sara wants to see. Make 4 of whatever you want with your Play-Doh and take a picture and put it on Seesaw so Miss Sara can see it. In this picture, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 honey pots. 4 honey pots. 4. The number 4 looks like this. Line down, little line down, line in. 4. The word 4 with letters looks like this. F-O-U-R. 4. Are you looking? Are you looking at message 3? Message 3. Show me number 3. 1, 2, 3. Show me number 3. Touch your knee. Touch your knee. On message 3, that's a picture of a magnifying glass. Scientists use magnifying glasses to learn about new things. Yesterday, we did a science experiment. In the science experiment, we took 1, 2, 3 noodles from our bag and we put them in a jar. You can put them in any container. And we also stopped to think about what we thought was going to happen and talked about that with our family. Did we think that it was going to get bigger? Did we think it was going to get smaller? What do you think is going to happen to the water? We're going to keep these noodles in the water all the way till Monday to see what happens. I'm going to show you. I'm going to flip it upside down so that you can see the noodles. What do you see? What is different? If you remember, the noodles were green, red, and blue. How have they changed? How has the water changed? Yes, the water has changed color. What color is the water? It looks bluish to me too. I think you're right. So, and if you look really closely, you might not be able to see it from home. But if you do the experiment at home, you'll be able to see there are tiny little particles, little pieces of the noodles that are starting to break down into the water. And that's why the water is changing color, because pieces of the noodles are breaking down. Isn't that amazing? What else is happening to the noodles? They're changing color. It looks to me like they're getting lighter. Isn't that fun? It's fun to learn about new things and to do different science experiments at home. Make sure that you do the science experiment at home. Put the noodles in water and see what happens. Watch them for a week. Take a picture of them so Miss Sara can see what you're doing. Talk to your family about what you think is going to happen to the noodles next. Those are called predictions. Predictions is when you stop and think about what you think could happen. Some of my friends stopped and thought that perhaps they would get bigger. Some of my friends stopped and thought they would get smaller. Those are predictions. I want to hear what my friends' predictions are. Science is fun because it's the beginning of learning about new things and learning to think and to get that little brain moving and grooving. And it's so much fun. Learning is fun. and we need to learn something every day. So remember, a little bit of work and a little bit of play. Do a little bit of writing today. Do some reading with your family, friend, or parent. Make sure that you're exercising. We haven't talked a lot about that, but we will in the next video. All right, my friends, I hope you had a great time at this large group time. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. I'm glad you came to school. Have a wonderful day. Take a picture so Miss Sara can see your work.